In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an ID card design using Canva. This is a quick and efficient process you can complete in just 5 minutes, perfect for those needing a sleek and professional looking ID card. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Canva on your device. Canva is a fantastic design tool that's both user-friendly and versatile, ideal for this task. Once you're on the Canva homepage, head to the search bar located at the top and type in ID card. This will pull up a variety of ID card templates that you can browse through. These templates are designed to fit different aesthetics and organizational styles, so take your time and find one that best suits your needs and aligns with your vision. After you've selected a template that you like, click on it to begin customizing. You'll notice a button that says Customize this template. Click on this button to enter the editor mode where the magic happens. This is where Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy to personalize your ID card, tailoring it to your specific requirements. In the editor, you'll see various elements that you can adjust. Start by modifying the text. Double-click on any of the text fields to edit them. Here you can input your name, position, company name, or any other details you want to include on your ID card. Utilize Canva's diverse array of font styles to make your text visually pop and suit the style you are going for. Remember that the text should be clear and easily readable, so choose your fonts and sizes wisely. Next, let's focus on the imagery. Canva allows you to either upload your images or choose from their extensive library of stock images. For an ID card, a professional photo is typically required. If you haven't already, click on the Uploads tab on the left panel to bring your image into Canva. Then drag and drop your image into the designated photo space on the ID card. Make sure the image is well lit and centered for the best professional appearance. Before you finalize, consider playing around with the color scheme. A cohesive color scheme can really bring your ID card together, ensuring that it looks polished and put together. Canva provides easy tools for adjusting the color palette. You can harmonize it with your brand colors, or simply choose a scheme that matches the tone of your organization. Once finished, review your design to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied, simply hit download at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file type and your ID card design is ready to be printed or used digitally. And there you have it, a personalized ID card created in minutes with Canva. Thanks for watching and happy designing.